my channel. If you don't already know, I am a BoxyCharm brand ambassador, so this video is going to be all about this month's products and what I thought about it. So I am going to show you how I created this look using the products that I got today. This month's box is worth $157. Yes, $157. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, you pay $25 a month and you always receive over $125 worth of products tailored to your needs. For example, I am a makeup junkie, I am a makeup hoarder, all those things. So when I signed up for BoxyCharm, I asked that I get a little bit more makeup and some skincare. So each box I received about maybe 2 skincare products and then 3 beauty or makeup products, which I love. So if you are interested in signing up to be a monthly charmer to unbox with me every month, make sure you look in the description bar to see how you can do so and use my link as your favorite BoxyCharm brand ambassador to sign up today. But that's enough chit chat. Let's just get into the tea about this here box, baby. So the first product I'm going to use from this month's BoxyCharm box is the SF Glow face mask. These are gold foil face mask and it comes in a set of 3. So today I will be using the eye mask and the lip mask instead of the whole face mask. I'm gonna save that one for another day. Ooh, and it has a really cute little design. So the first one, oh, so cold. The under eye mask is said to calm, hydrate, and smooth, as well as brighten your under eyes. I do have really puffy under eyes, so I'm excited to see how this works out for me. I love a good eye mask, and the lip mask is said to hydrate, soothe, smooth, and plump your lips. Definitely don't really need much plumping, but you know. I'm not gonna lie, it did have like a little taste when I took it off my lips, but my lips feel really, really good. They do feel a little plump, so I actually really like that. I really like that. I also think it's really, really cute how the under eye mask or the mask have little leopard print. I think that's really, really, really cute. I've never seen that. Normally with gold foil masks, they just kind of, you know, have a solid color. And that's normally that. So I will definitely be using my full face mask sheet probably later on this week or over the weekend. This 3-piece mask set is $18. The next product we have here is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Eye Cream. So this has vitamin C in it. And I actually really love Pharmacy Beauty's products. They are a little bit more on the pricier side, but you know, it's worth it. It doesn't have a huge smell to it, so that's okay. As you can see, there's a lot of bounce to that product. It's not super watery, and it feels really, really good under your eye. It says this could be used twice a day, once in the morning and then once at night. So this is a good addition to any skincare routine. I went off camera to do foundation, highlight, contour, powder, brows, yada yada boo, because you know, that's not what this video is about. This is a BoxyCharm video. So we are going to move right along to our next product, which is the Phase Zero Blush and Bronzer Trio. Now I will admit that this bronzer is not my shade at all. It is completely too light, wrong shade, all of that. So I'm going to be using the blush. There's 2 blushes. There's a matte blush and there is a shimmery blush. So we're going to use both today. So first I'm going to tap in with that pink blush, the matte pink, and we are just going to smile, put a little on our cheekbones. And that's what it looks like. Normally, I like to use a like more peachy or orange blush, but this one isn't bad. Okay, so I really like the way the matte blush looks, so let's tap in with the highlighter shade or the shimmer bronzer shade, and we're just gonna take that right on up our cheekbones. It definitely illuminates, but it's not too shimmery. Take some to the tip of our nose because I love for my nose to glow. The bridge of our nose, just a little bit. This Phase Zero blush and bronzer palette is actually really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, I was thoroughly surprised by this blush and this bronzer. Trio, the bronzer we didn't use because it's not our color, period. But the formula is really, really good. I could definitely see myself using these shades as eyeshadows as well. But yeah, I like how it illuminated, but it's not too much glow, you know? I feel like it's more of like a glow within, if you will, you know? This is super small and compact, so you can really take this wherever you go. And I love the fact that it has a full mirror in it. This product is $42. The next product we have is the Almar Cosmetics Spanglish palette. Now y'all, this palette is so pretty. We have 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. Today I am going to be doing a very dramatic look, very colorful. This is very affordable. This is $28. Trust me, it is worth the $28. You guys, I am so sorry. Funny thing. My camera only recorded a portion of this eyeshadow tutorial, this whole look. So with that being said, this Monday I promise I will come back and I will give a full tutorial using this palette. I will pretty much do the same color scheme we have here because I legit fell in love with the color story of this palette. The formulas, I already told you guys, Almar Cosmetics never disappoints, but I will do a full tutorial using this palette, and it'll be up on Monday. I just really had to get this BoxyCharm review up tonight, and I don't have time to re-record it, so I am so sorry about that. The last product is this Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara. The Lash Boss Mascara will stretch and lengthen your lashes. This mascara offers an incredible, soft, smooth, flexible formula with an exceptional silky feel, and I can honestly attest to that. Good mascara is essential when you are, living your day-to-day life. You're not going to be in full glam all the time, so it is important to have a good mascara to make sure your lashes are on point and has all the volume that you need. Thank you, Laura Geller. This product is $24. So again, guys, I am so sorry that the eyeshadow portion of this tutorial is not in the video, but I promise on Monday you guys will have a brand new look and a fresh eyeshadow tutorial using this here Almar Cosmetics, the Spanglish palette. Honestly, this month's box was really good. My favorite product obviously was the palette, as you can see. see, but I was really surprised by the Phase Zero blush palette right here. Super surprised by that, and I am actually happy. The blush wasn't too much. It blended well within my skin. The highlighter definitely is illuminating, but it's not too much. It wasn't too pink, it wasn't too gold, so I'm really happy about that. Yeah, I really have no complaints this month. This month's box was worth $157. $157 for $25 a month. Like, y'all, like, you really can't beat that. I am a BoxyCharm brand ambassador, so if you're interested in becoming a monthly charmer and signing up to receive your BoxyCharm box every month to unbox with me, make sure you click my link in the description box to go ahead and sign up underneath your favorite BoxyCharm brand ambassador. Each box is tailored to the specific person's needs. So for me, I'm a makeup hoarder, a makeup lover. So majority of the products I get are makeup, but I also have it tailored to where I have some skincare. So mainly makeup and some skincare. So this month I got 2 skincare products and then 3 makeup products, and I am good with that. So if you're more skincare, then you'll have it tailored to that. Simple, real simple. BoxyCharm, they make it really easy for you to get something that you enjoy and that you will love. If you have any other questions about BoxyCharm, feel free to comment them down below, or feel free to DM me on Instagram and then we can chat. But as always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for my 1K. We'll get into that next week on Monday when I do a full eyeshadow tutorial. So I'll see you guys in a couple days. Have a good weekend. Love ya, and I'll see you in the next video.